So, this is our second day of ice fishing since I've been the President-elect of the United States of America. We're already making major changes. It's huge. We're going to eliminate the failed stalking policies of the Obama administration. I'm telling you, it's going to be big. I promise. Believe me. It's going to be great. We have to secure our waters. We're closing our waters to undocumented stalkers coming into our waters. We have no clue, people. We have no idea what type of fish are infiltrating the American waters. We don't know. If it was up to Hillary and Obama, they would let every fish into our waters. This is ridiculous, people. We're going to make huge changes, believe me. Thank you for electing me. I can't wait until Inauguration Day. We're going to drill so many ice holes this winter, so many. And you know what? China's going to pay for it. I promise you. Thank you.
It's going to be huge.
It's going to be huge.